Oh, what fun it is to ride. Get loaded up again. In a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Dashing through the snow in one-horse open sleigh. Where the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ha ha ha! When are we gonna get snow outside?